You talked a lot about China. Who's the next China? Who's the next one in the pipe, as it were, in terms of competition and/or issues that are affecting us like China is?
The next, I would feel that the next major, well, there's two potential major areas of competition. One would be in India, where the population is very large and the economy is at a very low level that is growing rapidly. And the other is South America, because there's a lot of good natural resources located in South America. Now, I feel differently about competition from India and from South America, because they do apparently, at least now, they are playing on a level playing field. So I feel good about that competition. They're going to provide good competition. Good competition helps good companies get even better. So I'm looking forward to that type of competition. But those are two areas where I expect to see a large manufacturing base established. And for those reasons, large population, low-level economy that's growing rapidly in India, and in South America, they have a lot of natural resources in that country that will make them a good manufacturing competitor. But again, I want to stress, that's fine. We look forward to that competition. Good competition makes good companies into great companies. So we're looking forward to it, as long as they maintain their current practice of competing on a level playing field.